Hello everyone, welcome to Study ED. Let's start the today's 5 English word challenges. First is the deteriorated. Its part of speech is the verb and its meaning is become progressively worse or harsh. Synonym is degrade, decline, crumble or regress. Antonym is approve, improve, strengthen और complement. जो हिंदी में deteriorate को नष्ट होना कहते हैं. Next is accentuated. Its part of speech is verb and its meaning is make more noticeable or prominent. जो हिंदी में दख्या कहते हैं. And accentuate को हिंदी में जोर देना कहते हैं. Synonym is emphasize, highlight, underline and spotlight. Antonym is diminish or dwindled. Next word is mortgage. Its part of speech is verb and its meaning is convey a property to a creditor as a security on the loan. And synonym is contract, pledge or debit. And antonym is renege. And its Hindi meaning is giravi. Next word is persist. Its part of speech is verb and its meaning is continue in an opinion or a course of action in spite of any difficult situation of an oppositions or an oppositions. And synonym is continue, preserve or pursue. And the antonym is discontinue, give up और cease. अब persist का हिंदी मीनिंग है दृढ़ रहना. Next word is relevant. Its part of speech is adjective and its meaning is closely connected or appropriate what is being done or considered. Synonym is appropriate, suitable, significant, applicable or consistent. Antonym is inappropriate, unsuitable, insignificant or improper. And हिंदी मीनिंग इज अनुरूप कहते हैं हिंदी को. That's all. This is the 5 English word today's sections. So let's start the revisions today's sections in these 5 English word. First is synonym of the 5 English word. First word is deteriorate. Deteriorate is that जो हिंदी में नष्ट होना कहते हैं is feel of degrade. Accentuate that is emphasize. Mortgage is contract. Persist is continue. A relevant last word is suitable. This is the synonym of the five of these English word. Next is antonym revisions. First word is deteriorate. Deteriorate is नष्ट होना कहते हैं इंग्लिश में, जो हिंदी मीनिंग है अप्रूव. एंटोनिम इज अप्रूव. एक्सेंचुएट इज सिनोनिम इज एम्फासाइज और इट्स एंटोनिम इज डिमिनिश. मोर्ट्रेज रेनेज. persist is discontinue and relevant is inappropriate. Relevant is synonym is appropriate and antonym is inappropriate. These are the revision of the synonym and antonym of the five of the today's English vocabulary. That's all. Thank you.